In this video, we will delve into the detailed process of registering a DBA in Michigan, explain the importance of this registration, and cover additional relevant information. Should you require assistance with the filing process, you can conveniently access the services of Zen Business and InkFile by following the links provided in the description box below. And with that in mind, let's get started. Overview. If you're a business owner in Michigan looking to operate under a name other than your legal entity's name, you'll need to register a doing business as or fictitious name. A DBA allows you to conduct business under a different name while keeping your legal identity intact. Whether you're a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation, registering a DBA in Michigan is a straightforward process. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps, explain why you need to register a DBA, and offer some essential tips. What is a DBA? A DBA, or doing business as name, is a legal alias for your business. It allows you to operate under a name other than your own personal name or the registered name of your business entity, such as a corporation or LLC. Registering a DBA is typically necessary when you want to use a business name that is different from your personal or entity's legal name. Why register a DBA in Michigan? Number 1. Legal compliance. Registering a DBA ensures that your business operates within the legal framework. Michigan law requires businesses to register a DBA if they operate under a name other than their legal entity's name. Failing to do so can lead to fines and legal complications. Number 2. Professionalism. A registered DBA adds professionalism to your business. It allows you to use a catchy or descriptive name for marketing and branding purposes while maintaining a formal legal identity. Number 3. Banking and contracts. Banks often require a DBA to open a business bank account in a name different from your personal name. Additionally, some vendors and clients may prefer to work with businesses that have registered DBAs. Number 4. Brand protection. Registering a DBA can help you protect your business name from being used by others in your area. It doesn't provide the same level of protection as a trademark, but it does establish your legal claim to the name in your specific region. Now, let's dive to the step-by-step process of registering a DBA in Michigan. Step 1. Choose a DBA name. Before you can register a DBA, you need to use a name that isn't already in use and complies with Michigan naming requirements. Your DBA name should be distinguishable from existing businesses in the state and should not include words restricted by law. You can check the name of availability on the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs website. Step 2. Entity type. Determine your business entity type. You can register a DBA for a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or limited liability company. The entity type will determine the specific registration process. Step 3. Entity registration. If your business is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or a corporation, ensure that your primary entity is registered with the state. LLCs are registered with the Michigan Department of Licensing Authority Affairs, while corporations are registered with the Michigan Department of State. Step 4. Complete the DBA registration. Sole proprietorship or partnership. Download and complete the Certificate of Co-Partnership from the LARA website. Submit the form along with the appropriate filing fee to the LARA office. LLC or corporation. For LLCs, complete the Certificate of Assumed Name form, and for corporations, complete the Assumed Name Certificate form. Submit the form and the filing fee to the MDOS. Step 5. Publish a notice. In Michigan, it's optional but recommended to publish a notice of your DBA in a local newspaper for 3 consecutive weeks. This helps inform the public about your new business name. After publication, you'll need to file an affidavit of publication with the county clerk's office. Step 6. Renew your DBA. Michigan DBAs expire after 5 years, so remember to renew your DBA registration to keep it active. In conclusion, registering a DBA in Michigan is a crucial step for business owners who want to operate under a different name while compliant with state regulations. It enhances your professionalism, allows for branding flexibility, and ensures legal compliance. Follow the steps outlined in this video to register your DBA successfully and enjoy the benefits of doing business under a different name while keeping your legal entity intact. Should you require assistance with the filing process, you can conveniently access the services of Zen Business and InkFile by following the provided links in the video's description box. And there you have it, the process of filing a DBA in Michigan. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.